Hi Blender fans, and welcome once again to Blender TC. In today's tutorial we're going to actually make a golf ball. So let's begin. X will delete our cube, select the cube, press the X key and delete our cube. And what we're going to do to make this is we're going to add in a mesh, and the mesh we're going to add in is an icosphere. Right, our icosphere to actually make the golf ball is not complicated enough yet, so we're going to actually open this menu here and change that to 3. And then close the menu back down. Pressing the tab key will take us into edit mode, and if we press Ctrl then B, we're going to actually hit the bevel. Opening this menu, what we're going to do now is actually select vertices and just increase this until we get to the desired shape, which is all these hexagonal shapes, just to actually make our golf ball. So we'll minimize this and we'll press the I key once, then twice, then pressing the S key we can actually scale the icons down just slightly like that, and then if we press the S key we can scale this down yet again, and we've got our basic golf ball shape. And then to actually finish this off, all we've got to do is shade smooth, add a plane in, just to actually cast some shadows onto it, G and Z, and you can also add grass like I've done in the actual thumbnail, G and Z. And if you want to leave a comment on how we actually achieve the grass, you can do, but there you have it. We've made our very own golf ball quite quickly in Blender. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial and please subscribe. Bye for now.